What is Ramsar Convention and what are Indian sites added to Ramsar list? Why news? Ramai Dondwa Wetland Complex, two interconnected wetland in central Assam's Nagaon district will given Ramsar site tag. आसाम के रोमारी डोंडवा वेटलैंड कॉम्प्लेक्स को रामसार साइट टैग गिवन किया जाएगा और रामसार साइट इज अ वेटलैंड designated as one of the international importance under the Ramsar Convention, an intergovernmental treaty signed in Ramsar, Iran in 1971. Romari Dondwa Wetland Complex. The Romari Dondwa Wetland Complex is within the Lokho Wildlife Sanctuary, which is a part of Kaziranga Tiger Reserve. This complex has been recording more birds than only two Ramsar sites in northeast, number one Assam's Deeporville and Manipur's Loktak Lake. According to the 6th Kaziranga Wetland Census, 20,653 birds of 75 species were recorded at the Romari Wheel and 26,480 birds of 88 species were counted at Dondwa Wheel. A proposal has been submitted to make the Romari Dondwa Wetland Complex to a Ramsar site. What is Ramsar Convention? Ramsar Convention on Wetland is a global treaty for conserving wetland, protecting biodiversity, supporting livelihood, and combating climate change. रामसार कॉन्वेंशन ऑन वेटलैंड एक ग्लोबल ट्रीटी है सो दैट वेटलैंड को प्रोटेक्ट किया जा सके, बायोडाइवर्सिटी को प्रोटेक्ट किया जा सके, लाइवलीहुड को सपोर्ट किया जा सके एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज से कॉम्बैट किया जा सके. रामसार कॉन्वेंशन was adopted in Ramsar, Iran in 1971. Wetlands are vital ecosystems that support biodiversity, regulate water cycle, and help mitigate climate change impacts. The convention provides a global framework for identifying, designing, and managing wetland of international importance. The Ramsar Convention on Wetland is an intergovernmental treaty that sets the framework for both national action and international cooperation to conserve and ensure the wise use of wetland and their resources. One of its strengths lies in its broad and inclusive definition of wetland. Under Ramsar, wetlands are not limited to swamps and marshes alone, but extend to lake, rivers, underground aquifers, peatlands, oases, estuaries, deltas, tidal flats, mangroves, and coral reefs. अ, रामसार के अंडर वेटलैंड का जो डेफिनेशन है वो सिर्फ स्वैम्प्स एंड मार्सेस तक ही लिमिटेड नहीं है, बल्कि इसके अंदर लेक्स, रिवर्स, अंडरग्राउंड एक्वीफर्स, पीटलैंड्स, ओसिस, एस्चुरीज, डेल्टा, टाइडल फ्लड्स, मैंग्रोव एंड कोरल रीफ इसके अंदर इंक्लूड किए गए हैं. The definition even covers human-made ecosystems such as a rice field, reservoirs, salt pans, and fish pond, recognizing their ecological and livelihood importance. रामसार के अंडर वेटलैंड के डेफिनेशन के अंदर कुछ ह्यूमन मेड इकोसिस्टम्स को भी कवर किया गया है सच एज राइस फील्ड, रिजर्वर्स, सॉल्ट पेन्स, फिश पॉन्ड. द ट्रीटी केम इनटू फोर्स ऑन December 21, 1975, मार्किंग अ सिग्निफिकेंट माइलस्टोन इन इंटरनेशनल environmental cooperation. Its initial focus was on protecting wetland as vital habitat for waterfowl, but over time the scope expanded to cover the broader ecological, economic, and cultural significance of wetland ecosystems. Today, with nearly 170 contracting parties, the Ramsar Convention stands as one of the most widely endorsed global agreements, reflecting its central role in biodiversity conservation and sustainable development. What are wetlands? Wetlands are areas where water covers the soil or is present either at or near the surface of soil all year for varying period of time during the year, including during the growing season. These are Earth's most productive and ecologically rich environment, serving as a hub for biodiversity that sustain many species of plant and animals. Wetlands provide essential ecosystem services critical to human survival, including freshwater supply, food, building material, flood control, groundwater recharge, and climate change mitigation. Today, wetlands face widespread degradation and conversion for other uses, threatening both biodiversity and human well-being. There is a need for the wise use, management, and conservation of wetland globally. Ramsar Convention on Wetland Objectives. Number of protection and management. Safeguard, restore, and ensure the wise use of wetland to maintain their ecology. Number of international cooperation. Promote collaboration between countries, particularly for transboundary wetlands through sharing knowledge, resource, and best practices. Number three, biodiversity conservation. protect wetland ecosystems as a vital habitat for aquatic life, waterfowl, and countless other species, ensuring the conservation of global biodiversity. Number 4, climate regulation. Strengthen wetlands' role in carbon sequestration, flood control, and water cycle regulation to enhance resilience against climate change. Number 5, public awareness. Promote education and understanding about the ecological, cultural, and economic importance of wetland for both people and nature. Ramsar Convention selection criteria. Number 1, unique wetland. Site that represent rare or unique example of natural or near natural wetland ecosystem. Number 2, biodiversity value. Wetland that survive threatened, endangered, or critically endangered species and serve as vital habitat for their survival. Number 3, waterfowl population. Areas that regularly support large number of waterfowl, especially during migration, breeding, or wintering season. Number 4, species life cycle support. Wetland that provide refuge or critical support for plant and animal species at sensitive stages of their life cycle. Number 5, fish and aquatic life. Sites essential for sustaining fish population, including breeding, spawning, and nursery ground that support livelihood and ecosystems. Ramsar sites in India. As of October 2025, there are 94 Ramsar sites in India. Recently, Bihar added one more wetland in global list. Gogabil Lake in Katihar district of Bihar has got a tag of international importance as a Ramsar site. Two wetlands in Bihar, Gokul Jalansi in Buxar and Udaipur Jheel in West Champaran, have been designated as a Ramsar site in September 2025. Tamil Nadu have the highest number of Ramsar sites, about 20. In 2025, India added five new Ramsar sites. Number 1, Gagabil Lake, Menar Wetland Complex, Kichan Wetland, Gokul Jalansi, Udaipur Jheel, bringing its total 94. Bihar has now six Ramsar sites, standing at third position in the country after Tamil Nadu and UP. India is at the top in Asia and third in the world after the UK and Mexico in terms of total number of Ramsar sites under a global convention. Total Ramsar sites in UK is highest. It means about 176, and Mexico has about 144 Ramsar sites. Globally, there are 2,546 Ramsar sites. Montreux record on Ramsar sites. The Montreux record is a register maintained under the Ramsar Convention, listing wetland site where the ecological character of wetland site has undergone, is undergoing, and or is likely to undergo change due to factors such as technological development, pollution, or other human interference. It serves as a monitoring tool to identify and prioritize sites that need urgent conservation attention. Currently, India has two wetlands included in the Montreux record. Number 1, Loktak Lake, Manipur, Keoladio National Park, Rajasthan. These inclusions highlight the need for focused conservation measures to restore and maintain the ecological balance of these fragile ecosystems.